The first thing is separate at least a 10%. Okay, Arcad explain his experiences to Bansir and Kobe. The second one is compulsory you require to make that money works to generate more money. Okay, make the gold multiply, like second point. The third point is, okay, reinvest. Because whenever Arcad told to his guru, Algamish, Array, once I got returns, happily I enjoyed. I took honey cake, I took new clothes. Okay, like then he gave left and right. Don't eat the kids. Have you remembered? That day I told, don't eat the kids. So make the kids to generate more next level generation. Okay, like these are 3 points Arca told to the Bansir and Kobi for the wealth creation. Array, so your hard work only not enough. Hard work is the different, money creation is the different. Your skill is the different, money creation, wealth creation skill is the different. Okay, like he told clearly, these are the laws, these are the rules I follow. Because of that, so I created this much wealth. I became richest man in Babylon. Like he told, okay, to the Bansir and Kobi. Then they felt very happy because they know they got the secret and then they went. This is the story what I covered in the second and third chapters, second and third days. Next, the Babylon king, Sargon requested Arcad to take session for the Babylon people so that everyone can aware wealth creation rules. Like then Arcad start telling the lesson in Temple of Learning. Okay, start teaching the people. 7 days he took 7 principles he explained with examples. Okay, for the wealth creation rules to fatten your lean purse. Lean purse, to fatten your lean purse, wealth creation rules. So 7 they provided. Anyone can you please spell out? Anyone can you please spell out the first one?
Save 10%.
Save 10%. Pay yourself first. Pay yourself first. Save 10%. So save first and then spend later. The second one, make the money. Make the gold multiply. Make the gold multiply. Okay. So compulsory, your saved money should generate money. Okay. Don't keep ideal inside a box under your bed. Don't keep money idle inside a box under your bed. Or don't keep money so idle inside your bank account. Compulsory. Make that money, make that saved money to work. So that is the real wealth. I told. Okay, like that is the real wealth. Next, third one, safeguard. Safeguard your money from losses. Okay, safeguard your money from losses. Compulsory, you require to take care.